Hello students, good morning one and all. In last class already we discussed about trigonometric equations. In yesterday class, trigonometry chapter is completed. In this class, in this session, we have to discuss revision of trigonometry. So today's class and remaining two classes I will give revision of trigonometry, and after that I will take objective. Now, what is meant by trigonometry? Trigonometry means trigonometry means trigon plus metron. Trigon plus metron. Trigon means what? Triangle. Metron means what? Measurement. Measurement of three sides of triangle is called trigonometry. So trigonometry is it has wide applications and it is applied for engineering and technology, science and geography and electronics, electrical and even computer science also. So many applications it have so many applications. Now come to angle. So angle means here, that is the measurement of rotation given by about initial point to terminal point, okay, is called angle. Okay, for example, see, this is the angle. Okay, so this is the initial side, this is the terminal side. Okay, so revision class little bit fast is there, so please adjust. Okay, so when I am doing the when I did the normal classes, so I did slowly, but when we will come to revision class, it will be fast. Okay, that is, this is the initial side, this is the terminal side, so this is the angle. The amount of rotation from initial side to terminal side is called angle. In a angle, it has two types. One is positive angle, another one is negative angle. Okay, so one is positive angle, another one is negative angle. So a positive angle means the direction of rotation. The direction of rotation is anti-clockwise. Okay, see, the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, is called positive angle. Okay, so the direction of rotation is clockwise. Okay, the direction of rotation is clockwise, that is negative angle. The direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, that is called what? Positive angle. Okay, it has two types. One is positive angle, another one is negative angle. Okay, that is the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, that is called positive angle. The direction of rotation is clockwise, that is called negative angle. Okay, and again here the measurement of angle. The measurement of angle can divide into two different forms. Okay, so one is what? Degree measure, another one is radian measure. Okay, so one is degree measure, another one is radian measure. Already I told 1 degree can divide into 60 minutes. Okay, 1 minute can divide into 60 seconds. This is degree, this is minute, this is minute. Okay, this is seconds. 1 degree can divide into 60 minutes, 1 minute can divide into 60 seconds. Okay, now here degree measures, it is also one of the measurement of angle. Okay, it is also one of the measurement of angle. If rotation is from initial side to terminal side of 1 by 360th of revolution, 1 by 360th of revolution is called degree measure. Degree measure, it is also one of the measurement of an angle. So that is the rotation of from initial side to terminal side 1 by 360th of revolution is called what? That is degree measure. Okay, so radian measure means here it is also measurement of an angle is called radian measure. Okay, so here, so mainly the measurement of angle can divided into two different forms. One is degree measure, another one is radian measure. Okay, degree measure means the direction of rotation from initial side to terminal side of a 1/360th of revolution. So radian measure means it is also another unit, it is another unit of measurement of an angle is called radian measure. Okay, now the relation between degree measure and radian measure. Okay, the relation between degree measure and radian measure. See, degree measure, see that is 0 degree, I mean this is degree measure, this is degree measures, this is radian measures. In the form of 0 degree, I mean in the form of radian measure is 0 radian only, that is 30 degree, that is pi by 6, 45 degree, that is pi by 4, 60 degree, that is pi by 3, 90 degree, that is pi by 2, 180 degree, that is 2 pi, 270 degree, that is 3 pi by 2, 360 degree, that is 2 pi. Okay, these are the different degree measures and different radian measures. Okay, please keep please keep in the mind, children. 30 degree means pi by 6, 45 degree means pi by 4, 60 degree means pi by 3, 90 degree means pi by 2, 180 degree means pi, 270 degree means 3 pi by 2, 360 degree means 2 pi. And relation between radian measure and degree measure. So now radian measure is equal to pi divided by 180 into degree measure. When degree measure is given, we have to find radian measure, use this formula. So when degree measure is equal to 180 divided by pi into radian measure, okay. Okay, that is radian measure is equal to pi divided by 180 into degree measure, that is degree measure is equal to 180 divided by pi into radian measure. When degree measure is given, you have to use, when degree measure is given, so you have to find radian measure, use this formula. Okay, when radian measure is given, you have to find degree measure, use this formula. So these are the relation between degree measure and radian measure. Okay, and already I discussed about problems of exercise 1.1. Okay, now we will move on second exercise. So in first exercise only degree measure and radian measure. Okay, based on radian measure and degree measures problems is there. Turn over to radian measure to degree measure to radian measure. And another problems are when angle is subtended by circle is there. So that is for that problems you have to use one formula, theta is equal to L divided by R. Theta is equal to what? L divided by R. Therefore L is equal to R theta. You have to use this formula. Based on degree measure and radian measure, and based on this formula problems is there. Okay, we will move on. Signs of trigonometric functions. Signs of trigonometric functions. Here, see the children, this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, this is 270 degree. When it completes one rotation, when you start second circle, that is 360 degree. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, that is ASTC rule. ASTC rule. That is, all students take in coffee. C. Otherwise, all silver tea cups. Here, A stands for all. That is, S stands for sine and cosecant. T stands for tan and cot. C stands for cos. The reciprocal of cos is secant. Okay. Here, all silver tea cups. In first quadrant, all are positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosecant is positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot is positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant is positive. Remaining is negative. Here, sine is positive, cos is positive, tan is positive, cosecant is positive, secant is positive, cot is positive. Come to second quadrant. What about sine? Positive. Cosecant? Positive. Cos? Negative. Secant? Negative. Tan? Negative. Cot? Negative. Come to third quadrant. Tan is positive. Cot is positive. Sine is negative. Cosecant is negative. Cos is negative. Secant is negative. Come to fourth quadrant. Cos is positive, secant is positive, so sine is negative, cosecant is negative, tan is negative, cot is negative. This is science about trigonometric functions. Okay. Next, we will move on. So, allied angles. See children, allied angles. Here, allied angles means, already I told, the angles in the form of 90 degree, 270 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. Such angles is called allied angles. Okay, that is the angles in the form of 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta. Such type of angles is called allied angles. Okay, the angles is the form of 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta. Okay, such type of angles is called allied angles. Now come to how we can divide the allied angles is observed here. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Already I told ASTC rule, that is all students taking coffee. That is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. Here 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 minus theta, 270 plus theta. When second circle begins, 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. So I will write in the form of table. 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. Dear students, observe here, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive, okay, that is 90 minus theta. Already I told 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta is change of trigonometric function. 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta is no change. Sir, what is meant by change and no change? Change means here sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine, vice versa. Tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. Cosecant becomes secant, secant becomes cosecant. No change. That is sine becomes sine only, cos becomes cos only, tan becomes tan only, cosecant becomes cosecant only, secant becomes secant only, cot becomes cot only. So here, when vertical angles, when you will take vertical angles, change. When you will take horizontal angles, no change. Okay. So now I will write the allied angles. Please observe here. This is 90 minus theta present in where? First quadrant. First quadrant, all are positive. Plus, 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 plus. 90 minus theta, change. Sine becomes what? Cos theta. Cos becomes sin theta. Tan becomes cot theta. Cosecant becomes secant theta. Secant becomes cosecant theta. Cot becomes tan theta. Now come to 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta present in second quadrant. Present in second quadrant. 90 plus theta present in second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine and cosecant is positive. Sine is positive, cosecant is positive. Remaining negative. Minus, 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 minus. 90 plus theta, change. Sine becomes what? Cos theta. Cos becomes what? Sin theta. Tan becomes cot theta. Cosecant becomes secant theta. Secant becomes cosecant theta. Cot becomes tan theta. Now come to 180 minus theta. 180 minus is same similar, that is present in second quadrant. Positive is sine and cosecant. Plus, plus. That is remaining is negative. Minus, minus, minus. Sine becomes what? Sin theta. No change. No change. That is 180 and 360 will come. No change. 90 and 270 will come is change. Cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Now come to 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta present in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, tan and cot is positive. Tan is positive, cot is positive. Remaining negative. Okay. Sine becomes sine only. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Okay. Now come to 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta present in third quadrant. So tan and cot is positive, remaining is negative. That is 270 minus theta, change. Sine becomes cos, sine, cot theta, cosecant becomes secant theta, cosecant theta, cot becomes tan theta. Now come to 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta present in fourth quadrant. There cos and secant is positive. Cos is positive, secant is positive. Remaining are negative. That is 270 plus theta change. Cos theta, sin theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, tan theta. Okay. Now 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta also present in fourth quadrant. That is cos and secant is positive, plus minus 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 minus. That is sin becomes sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta only. Okay. Now come to last one, 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, when second circle begins, it will come 360 plus theta. Okay. 360 plus theta. So present in first quadrant, all are positive, plus 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 plus. I mean no change. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Okay. So this is about Halide angles. Okay. In next class, in next revision class, you will discuss about compound angles and multiple angles, submultiple angles, transformation angles. Based on those formulas, I will discuss for each type one problem. Okay. So I am concluding today's class. Thank you, one and all.